In this video, I'll show you how to make this dashboard yours in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. After your purchase, you'll receive a link to the Google Sheet in your email. Simply click the link and it will open the dashboard in view-only mode. Don't worry if you can't type or edit anything yet. This is to keep the original file safe. To make it your own, go to the File menu and click Make a Copy. Rename the file to whatever you'd like and save it to your Google Drive. It's best to keep it in My Drive for easy access. Now click Make a Copy. A new editable version of the sheet will open in your drive. You'll no longer see the View Only tag, and you can start customizing it to fit your project needs. Go ahead, make changes, and see how easy it is to manage your projects with this dashboard. Wasn't that simple? Now, you're all set to take control of your projects like a pro. Looking for more tools to streamline your work? Check out my other project management templates, like PowerPoint bundles for project status updates and financial health trackers. You'll find everything you need to manage projects smoothly and impress your stakeholders. Start making the most of your dashboard today. And if you have any questions, join our Telegram or WhatsApp communities for quick help. Click the link below to explore more templates and supercharge your workflow. Your next project success starts here.